best Benjamin Franklin quotes on success and life, presented by AR Time Zone. The best way to see faith is to shut the eye of reason. Laziness travels so slowly that poverty soon overtakes him. It takes many good deeds to build a good reputation, and only one bad one to lose it. Man and woman have each of them qualities and tempers in which the other is deficient and which, in union, contribute to the common felicity. There is no shame in being poor. It is shame to be ashamed of it. Common sense is something that everyone needs. Few have and none think they lack. The ancients tell us what is best, but we must learn of the moderns what is fittest. He that is of the opinion money will do everything may well be suspected of doing everything for money. Employ your time well if you mean to get leisure. A true friend is the best possession. When the well's dry, we know the worth of water. No nation was ever ruined by trade.
Better slip with foot than tongue.
Speak ill of no man, but speak all the good you know of everybody. There are three things extremely hard: steal, a diamond, and to know oneself. Words may show a man's wit, but actions his meaning. Well done is better than well said. He that speaks much is much mistaken. Life's tragedy is that we get old too soon and wise too late. Security without liberty is called prison. They who can give up essential liberty to obtain a little temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety. Without freedom oft taught, there can be no such thing as wisdom, and no such thing as public liberty without freedom of speech. Be at war with your vices, be at peace with your neighbors, and be true to yourself. How few there are who have the courage enough to own their faults, or resolution enough to mend them. Honesty is the best policy. New truth is a truth, an old error is an error.
While we may not be able to control all that happens to us, but we can control what happens inside us. It takes many good deeds to build a good reputation, and only one bad one to lose it.
When you're good to others, you're best to yourself.
Like, subscribe, share, and comments.
Thanks for watching.